So I want to reuse my power outlet for my dust remover, and for that I have in the past built this small box here, and let's open it up and I will explain for you. Oopsie. So the whole thing works like that. It's quite simple. I have an SSR relay here, which gets from the black box. I will get a coolant signal. That's an M8 and M9 that turns on and off on 5 volts in this side. Here I have taken the cold wire over this relay, which then will provide 220 volt to this. This means I can activate and deactivate the cold wire, and on that control the power on this one. This is for 220 volt, and the red and the black wire is plus and minus 5 volt coming from the black box on the the port for cool. So let's go and take a look and install this bad boy and see if it works. So I decided to take the components here, the SSR relay, out of this box and use the 220 volt connection. I will add it here on this side, and the solid state relay will be, I don't see it, inside here. So that's what I will do now, and we want to drill a little hole as well so that we can get the wires inside to the box from the outside. This manometer will be the one that controls the pressure with this relay valve to the air assist that will be switched on and off with a switch, probably in the front here with lighting. Next is to connect this to the 220 volt, where I have made a connection up here. You'll see in a moment. There we go. Now we want to take a look if everything explodes or what's happening, so let's get some power on. I did take out the power plug, and well, we've got a connection and I have no red lights. on the SSR relay. That means it's not activated. So let's get connected. If that works. Yeah, we are connected. And let's make an M8. And let's see if we got some light there. Yeah, you see the red. You see the red light. This means that the 220 volt is now activated. So I will close it with the M9. And the M9 sent the command, and it should. So let's take a look. Should be closed, and it is closed. My vacuumizer is now connected there. So let's again try to run the M8, and we should hear it start, I hope. Well, maybe I need to turn on. Yeah, I need to turn on here. And it runs. So let me now turn it off with the M9. You see? And it turns off. Perfect. So this means we can now build this into a G code. So everything is now put inside. We can close it. We have our nice contact for 220 volt here, and the next project will be to make the air assist, but not automatically driven, but driven with a switch.